Leaving Westerly Station, we will be travelling south in our regional train over a couple of railroad bridges. Leaving Westerly, we enter Connecticut in the historic town of Pawcatuck. Trolley transportation began in 1894 when the Pawcatuck Valley Street Railway began operation and continued until the 1920s. A wood-fired steam railroad, trains pulled by engines such as this, was a major factor in the development of Pawcatuck as a separate industrial community. The Mechanic Street Historic District contains 7 interconnected industrial buildings constructed between 1855 and 1920, as well as a large concentration of houses dating from about 1830 to 1920. A railroad line runs through the Mechanic Street district, cutting off access to many of the smaller streets, such as Cedar Street, and providing the only at-grade crossing at Palmer Street. Interesting structures in the district include at the south end the granite abutments for an elevated spur line. An enlightening 1934 aerial photograph shows the location of the elevated bridge relative to the Pawcatuck River and the main rail line. The earthworks to raise rail traffic from the riverfront to the bridge are still extant. As is the location of the point at which the spur line joined the main line. Currently it is a work site, but it's clearly adjacent to the existing tracks. The railroad bridge has been removed, and close by are the floodgates to protect the mill complex from river flooding. Today, Pawcatuck is only a throughway for the northeast regional trains that run through the Mechanic Street Historic District. Though still closely associated with Westerly, Pawcatuck lies within the modern-day boundaries of Stonington in Connecticut.